Hello everyone, today I will introduce our new sliding D-Rex to you. The biggest feature of this D-Rex is its movements. Okay, I will show you. It will rush out from the trunk and run to you. It's coming. Wow, that's amazing. So it is very suitable for some adventure scenes. For example, put it in a cave interactive scene and decorate it with some lights. When the tourists explore the cave on a sliding rail car, the D-Rex rushes out of the darkness suddenly, giving the tourists a thrilling and unexpected experience. I believe that it's going to be the highlight of your dinosaur park. So let's get to work. Please contact us as soon as possible. Thanks. Bye.